Yeah, so what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome to my channel. You see me, make sure so on a like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the community. Yeah. Yo, so you don't know the people that might request the Tavi and Zoey situation. I'm not really too go deep in the situation. We just go take certain things and run with it when I really too. Cause I don't know already, you see me? Cause it's been about almost a week now, if not a week, since the whole thing got on. You see me? But I watch a video of Tavi Zoey and certain things come up when me a prayer, I PR facial reaction, our eyes. I just I watch her as she talk and I analyze things. So I say, I'm gonna share them thoughts there. I'm analyze our video. You see me? Big up to Tavi Zoey and big up to RJ, you see me? And Chuck Star. I don't know which Chuck Star, but I know now, you see me? So let's just get into it. We'll analyze our video right now. Let's go.
What's up, guys?
Come already look like poor thing.
You guys, I don't know if I start from, if I don't know where I'm going, I'm going to live under a rock for all who don't know where I'm going, but for all who fully aware of what's going on, you guys, I just feel like this just blow way out of proportion, and I don't even know what to say. I feel like all my fault. I just feel like I'm my fault.
It is. It is your fault.
I just feel like I'm my fault, yo. I call RJ, him not answer the phone. Bro, are you kidding me? I think we're supposed to ash this out and squash it out, but you just I don't know.
I mean, Mama, pause that real quick. Breathe the levels, yeah. Mama, what you mean? You mean? You see where they do pan the money, you basically a bubble pan the money, you bend over one bag of things, and the dog see that. The dog not appreciate that. You understand? If you remember, you run him head, so you run the dog head. So you go too far with the prank. You see me, the prank head is too serious for the G, because you have the G head right in the palm of your hand. And you know that. You see me, so I said they can reach. You don't say they can reach. Me no say that. Listen. From me here, I go on 876. We don't even get into that. Come here, I go on 876 over the dog. I'm just continue. I'm not saying that.
I don't even know what to say. Yo, for the past couple of days, I just feel off. I just feel off. From the situation happen, I just feel off. I not sleep, I not eat, I not I just don't feel myself. I feel and then all you people on the internet who not talk a whole lot of stuff, one just don't know. One just glad for jump on the bandwagon and not talk crap. One just don't know nothing what happen right or so. I just feel like I have a breakdown because RJ, I just feel like you need to answer the phone when I call you. How long you gonna ignore me for? How long you gonna plan to ignore me? I have to do all of this to get your attention. You serious?
Pull up on the money yard. Show them say you're serious and pull up.
You can't just make we talk about it. Can you just come over and make we talk about the situation?
Crutches.
You know, for ignore me. How long you plan to ignore
until
me?
Crutches
no,
reach.
Seriously, how long?
Crutches.
You plan to ignore me?
Until Crutches reach.
We need to talk.
No, Crutches.
Because we can't do this crap no more.
Crutches, mama, crutches. You understand? This is exactly why you can't complain about the people them on the internet. This is what the reaction. It's a work. Uno brilliant. I'm telling you that. Uno brilliant.
Like from the situation happened, guys. Me literally not have no appetite. Like I have no appetite to eat no. I not feel like I'm hungry. I just want to sort out the situation. I'm gonna know why RJ just like I don't know.
You have appetite, yes. You have appetite for RJ.
When they need to stop blow things out of proportion. All of you extra people who are talking about the situation, stop blow it out of proportion more than it really is.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I've seen women feeling sorry.
If you want to know what my day has been like,
She don't look sorry at all to me.
Because this is somebody with me there like all the time, so it's gonna feel like way off. If you just take up yourself and just cut so like you're serious. I know say a lot of one want to see me and RJ stop talk, you know. So all who want to see me and RJ stop talk, fine. See they wanna get to know happy. Una happy now? Okay, fine. Una happy. Well, fine. I'm not happy.
Pause that real quick. Yo, I tell you this right now. This don't look like somebody who feels sorry or nothing, isn't it? And if she did feel sorry, she probably feels sorry for no said the only you to always validate her 24/7. Him not there around for validate her right now, isn't it? If this is actually real, because we know that these people are YouTubers and them love prank themselves and people on the internet, isn't it? And I love them marketing strategy. I love how them go about everything, you know, young and talented black people just do them thing, isn't it? But we just take this at face value, isn't it? So I'm just going off what I'm seeing, and if this is real, she don't look sincere to me, isn't it? She just look like she loses you to the only you to validate her every minute. So she want him the background, isn't it?
I am not happy. RJ, you need to call my phone. I'm gonna come up in your yard. I'm gonna come up in me and knock down your door. You need to like stop ignore me. Like how long you get ignore me for?
Scratches.
How long? Like how long we need to talk about the whole situation?
Scratches.
That hurt me.
Scratches.
Seriously, like I literally feel like the summer just I'ma feel like me literally feel like me not eating days. I saw it feel because of this whole friggin' situation, yo.
So everybody has say you are mad RJ, but you look like say RJ am mad she.
You can't get other people. No, I don't want to RJ, I want to make video with someone. Come tell me about you can make videos with some other people, look how much blah 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 blah. I don't business, yo, like me just feel like me and RJ have a special bond and we have chemistry, okay? That's my best friend. I just feel like all of these are just my fault. I just don't feel
it is your fault.
RJ, I took the blame, so
no.
I don't know what else to say. I feel like
You see what alright. If you know when people are sincere about something, they will just agree with something or take the blame easily just for quell the whole situation, even if them genuinely not feel like them do nothing, just for, you know, get you for come back around them or forgive them or being at them good graces again. You see me, them will just go somewhere admit, alright, yeah, okay, yeah, I did it. Even when them themselves feel that they're not doing nothing, you see me? As me I say, if this real, she don't look sincere at all. She don't look sincere. We continue.
and then all I want to stop calling him girl clown because him is not no friggin' girl clown and too extra.
I mean, you had a hand to play in that. You see me? Look how I go on the internet.
Talk about him. I gotta try call him one more time. One more time, I gotta try call RJ. Seriously.
One thing though, she have a nice little voice, you know. I know say she more nice, you know. They are pelt her blood club, you know, say yo, that moon voice that's sexy, you know, blood cause she age time. Yeah man, you know say she more nice, man.
I'm gonna try call your phone again, RJ, and I'm gonna see how long you're gonna ignore. Like, I'm sorry, I never mean to make you feel them type of way that like you should have talked to me and tell me say, okay, so me really hate the pranks them what we are do by each other if it too rough. Like you should have said something. You can't even feel like say everything alright, and then now you're gonna just up and I ignore my calls and I'll try to call you right now.
Oh, the black killer. I don't know. This is not good acting. Best friend. Best friend. Best friend.
You see what I say?
Yeah, crutches, mama. We can guarantee you, say if you tell him text him man right now and say, yo, crutches. Him reach where you do have to go look for him. Him have to go look for you. Just text him and say, yo, come feet. Mama have him as Stuart's best friend. Man, I'm my best
Are
friend.
you kidding me? This is all I've been getting. Like you're not answering the phone. Why the hell are you?
You're there. Vex, you know. You don't sound like you're sorry. You sound like you're vexed with him for vex with you. You don't sound like you're sorry. You see what I say? I'm more than me alone see that.
Yo, text after text after text after text. Me I text you and you not answer. Like, seriously? Are you saying that we cannot come together and talk about all of this? The only way we can get to even make one video?
Crutches.
You serious?
Crutches. Crutches. I guarantee you, crutches. I tell you. Just text him and say, yo, come feet right now.
Yo, no.
Just skin it out and text him the picture.
I don't know what else to do. Like, I'm trying to fix things with you and you're acting up. Like, if I was the type of person who I never really care about you, I would call back your phone. None at all. Like, would I just make it stay away there and would I just move on to the next? So for all of the people where I talk about, oh, Zoe, did I use it? I am not friggin' using RJ. I'm a friend. Like, shut up.
You know, use RJ. You're RJ a business partner.
Seriously, yo.
Yeah, RJ know exactly what I do on YouTube and I love it. You see me? People them on YouTube and big and full like. You see me?
I don't know what else to do. Probably not know. I'm not gonna stop till RJ come back to me. Seriously, like.
Yeah. What
Look how much stuff we've been through. Like,
yeah.
Look how much shit we do together. Like.
Yeah.
Seriously, you're gonna make one prank come between me?
No, like, you know what I mean?
Seriously, not that serious, yo. You're gonna make one prank.
That prank is serious. Man, take it serious, mama. You can't. You understand? You can't do that.
Alright. If let's make a deal. No more pranks. No more pranks. No more videos, no more YouTube. We can find other people do stuff with, if you want to put it that way. Then we're not doing no more pranks, we're not doing no more videos together. I just want you to be my friend same way, because we've been through shit, we've been through a lot of things that people don't know, a whole lot of stuff that bond us together. Like, you can't throw all of that for one prank, RJ. I may call in and try to fix things and you act like you don't want to answer the phone. If you come back, if you don't want to do videos anymore with me, that's fine. Let's just like fix our friendship, because you know, a bond like ours, it's not easy to find. And you know that too. A bond like ours is not easy to find, and you know some love you. Not because I'm not show emotions on camera all the time. Sometimes I'm very afraid of the media. I'm afraid to come out. You more braver than me. You know, me more scared. But me say like, you need to like, just stop ignoring me call, yo. Just.
Alright, I'll pause it this. You know, this is a very long video when I go through it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm doing it in 2 parts. So this is gonna be the first part, but The level of insincerity in his video is unbelievable. Horrible acting. I don't know how I got right is though. But there's something I want to address, but I'm going to address it in the next video because it's clear as day to me. It's clear. That girl are controlling. Bad. Because she knows she have the youth head in her hand. She knows she have the youth head. Everybody knows she have the youth head. So when time I go to man scrutinize the video now, I say, the way she talk is like, you know, so she give orders to RJ. She give orders to RJ, you can hear how she talk. But when more address, I address in the next video. So make sure you stay tuned. And it's a part 2. I go to part 2, analyzing Tavi Zoey. You know what I'm going to do? We do the same thing for RJ. I do the same thing for RJ, because this right is unbelievable. And Crutches, mama. Mama says she want to know what to fix it. Crutches. Yo, you don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you stay tuned and say me up more.